The Agile Mindset, your superpower for continuous reinvention. Greetings from David Betzold. The secret of the world's most successful leaders and organizations is the difference between the great and the merely good. It's not a magical technology or a revolutionary business model that changes the game. Instead, it is their breathtaking ability to reinvent themselves time and again that keeps them leading their industries. Let's face it, in a market that is developing faster than ever, your true value does not depend on what you know, but on your capacity to adapt, learn, and change in real time. This is the real spirit, power, and strength of the Agile mindset. Agile is often thought of as a set of processes for software development teams, but that is only a skin-deep understanding of this important subject. At its heart, it's a leadership philosophy grounded in an unwavering devotion to curiosity, a willingness to try anything, and the audacity to perceive any setback not as a conclusion, but as a stage for an eventual comeback. This change in worldview is the difference between being disrupted and going on to be the disruptor. Consider these pivotal questions. Is market evolution seen by your team as a danger that has to be defended against, or as a silver platter for innovation and new frontiers? Are you one to wonder and worry about what you'll consider when you're faced with an information overload, thinking out loud, what's my first impression going to be of new data? Will I suddenly act? Or will I take my sweet time to learn the lessons I need to inform my path? A culture of predictable processes and structured methodologies, or one of purposeful learning and adaptive experimentation? It is about more than teaching an organization to be prepared for change. It is about building an organization that is, by nature, built to thrive amid change. It is about how to create an atmosphere in which teams are not afraid to experiment boldly, learn important lessons from their failures, and quickly switch tactics when things show progress. The end goal is not to be perfect, but to remain perpetually relevant in uber-fleeting grounds. That's my mission statement as an Agile coach, to help leaders and their teams to release this awesome superpower. I try to pull organizations out of thinking of change as something to be resisted and into embracing it as their number one competitive advantage. Tell me about a major change that you have had to deal with recently that has led you to change the way that you do things. If you have a story to tell and wisdom to share in response, please join in below in the comments.